Because South Africa joins global efforts for COVID-19 vaccine trials as the world looks up to lasting answer for the pandemic. Under the WHO Solidarity Trial, South Africa is working with 100 other countries for the vaccine. Well, some health officials have raised concerns on the manufacture and distribution of the vaccine ahead of its productions. Let's have more details of that in this report.
South Africa, along with over 100 countries, are working together to find an effective treatment for COVID-19. Under the WHO's Solidarity Trial, the country has agreed to participate in vaccine testing.
There are 3 groups that are busy working with international groups on vaccines, and so anticipate that we will be doing vaccine trials within the next month or so.
Globally, there are currently over 100 vaccines in various stages of development. Many are still in the early stages. 6 have been taken to the next level. Limited testing in the country of development.
Because we're trying to push these vaccine trials very quickly, these trials will be rolled over into much larger studies we call phase 3 trials, with thousands of participants who are at risk of acquiring COVID-19, so looking at hotspot areas or high incident areas. And there, once we have given the vaccine, we'll look for efficacy. We look to see, does this vaccine work and protect against infection completely or cause a less severe disease?
While South Africa and other developing countries will be involved in the vaccine trials, there's the issue of manufacture and access to the vaccine afterwards.
We're also concerned that the demand could then be swallowed up by richer, bigger countries that have got access to manufacturing, and that the poorer countries of the world, whole continents like the African region, might not get the same level of access.
It's been suggested that immunizing the world's healthcare workers would make more sense.
It will give us a very good idea of how well the vaccine works in the field in different communities, but it will keep the world's health services going, which is a critically important issue at the moment for all countries.
While the broader discussion is happening at a global political level, South Africa is preparing itself for those vaccine trials. The medical practitioners are going to be moving into those communities to do those vaccine trials where the people actually are and not in hospitals.